Hello. Today we consider the following problem. In triangle ABC, the side AB equal 2, BC equal 4, AC equal 5. There is a circle which passes through points B and C and intersect sides AB and AC in points K and M, provided that AK equal 1. We need to find the side KM in triangle AKM and the side AM of the same triangle. To start consideration of the problem, I will first increase the size of the picture. And now I would like to mention the following. Angle A is a common angle in triangle KAM and BAC. Angle K here looks equal to angle C, and angle M looks equal to angle B. Of course, it is only our assumption, it is not a proof. We will need to prove this. And if we are successful, we will prove that triangle KAM and triangle BAC are similar. And this will make the problem very simple. Now I would like to remind you about the property of quadrangle inscribed in the circle. I took arbitrary quadrangle and arbitrary circle. There is a property that the opposite angles in such quadrangle are supplementary, so the sum of these angles equal 180 degrees. We denote this angle alpha, this beta, and we can say that alpha plus beta equal 180 degrees. The same we can say about these two angles, gamma and delta. Gamma plus delta equal 180 degrees. Now we will apply this property to the quadrangle MABC here. First, I will consider angle B here. Opposite angle is angle here, and the sum of them, ABC and KMC, the sum equal 180 degrees. Now we take a look to the angle here. It is adjacent angle to angle KMC, so their sum equal 180. What we see? We see that this part is the same in these two equations. It means that this angle equal to this angle. So we have proven that angle AMK equal angle ABC. Now we consider angle C. Opposite angle is here, and the sum of these two angles equal 180 degrees. We consider adjacent angle, this one. The sum of this angle and angle here is 180 degrees. These two parts are the same, so these two angles are equal. What we see now? We see that three angles in this triangle are equal to three angles in big triangle. So these two triangles are similar. Now, using this similarity, we can write the proportions. AM over BC equal AM over AB equal AK over AC. This fraction is equal 1 over 5 because AK is 1, AC is 5. Then we can take this proportion separately. This is 1/5. And from here we can find AM. AM equal 2/5. As a next step, we consider this proportion. We write it separately. Again, here is 1/5, and Km equal 4/5. The problem is solved completely. If you have another solution, please leave a comment, and we will discuss this solution as soon as possible. And finally, if you like this video, please hit a like icon, leave a comment, and subscribe for the channel.